Hello, everybody. Mr. Price here with your writing lesson for the day. We are taking a look at the next part of your literary essay. You are working on Tanaika, and so you should have written your introduction, that first part of the body, and today you're working on the second part of the body. Um, you will notice that I did this very much the same way as I did yesterday. I made sure that I launched into this paragraph by relating it to um, my initial claim that rivalry is part of friendship. And I said that rivalry as part of friendship is also revealed in the way the author shows the reader that boys don't like to appear weak in front of each other, even their friends. And then I launched into my evidence. And just like yesterday, I went to that rough plan that we created last week and I cut and pasted my two pieces of evidence that I had listed from last week. So you should be doing the same. Um, I've got those two pieces of evidence, and then I wrap up the paragraph with a conclusion um, of, again, relating it to my initial claim that this reluctance to reveal weakness to one another is another way the author reveals that rivalry is a part of friendship. Because remember, all of these reasons and examples and the evidence that you're providing is all relating back to that initial claim that you stated at the start of your essay. So you should have that middle portion of the body of your paper completed today. If you require assistance, please make sure that you're stopping by office hours or sending your ELA teacher an email. Hope things are going well for you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.